You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look at food business ideas that you need small capital to start. A food business idea that you can start with low capital, as low as 50,000, 20,000, 100,000 naira. Stick to the end of this video and you're going to enjoy it because we are going to give you some of the tips, great business ideas that you're going to start with the little amount of money that you have. Number one business idea that we're going to look into is pepper soup joint. This is a joint, a place where you prepare, maybe roof a little place and then prepare pepper soup. In Nigeria, you know what I mean by pepper soup. So prepare this pepper soup very well. Let it taste very delicious. And then people will come to buy. You can sell it with palm wine, with whichever drink that you want to combine with. And you find out that it is very lucrative because the meat, the fish that you're going to use is not all that expensive because you're going to buy direct from the farm or from local fishermen. Number two, start a mini cold room business. This is very easy and it's not all that capital intensive. All you need is a good deep freezer and a generator. Now, this kind of business, you don't need to wait until you have millions of naira to, prepare a very big or large cold room. The idea is you're going to retail frozen foods like the way cold room do, but your own is in the small size. And you will have to look for a strategic location where there is no big cold room, where there's no those big guys are not in that area. Then this business is really good for you. So all you need to do is you have to go out there, do a business survey, carry out a business survey the area whether the big guys are not close to. That way you can go to the big guys, buy and add little profit for yourself and make money clean. And it's very lucrative because the demand for these frozen foods like ice fish, chicken, turkey and all that things, the demand is very high and you're going to make money every day. My brother is into this kind of business and is making good money, not less than 10,000 naira every day, and the business is lucrative. Number three is street food. Now, if we move in the streets of Port Harcourt, Lagos, Abuja, and most of the cities in Nigeria, you find out that there are some guys that are by the roadside preparing buns, meat pie, and all kind of foods. Now, people love it because it's very hot. They love the way it's hot. You just buy it instant as they remove from the pot. You buy it and you see the queue. People queue to buy this street food from them. So you can also start a street food like that and make your money. You don't need to rent a shop. All they do is to look for a little space by the roadside and they fry their buns, bake their meat pie, bake whatever they want to sell, prepare their food right there. And you see customers waiting. It's not the seller, it's not the businessman waiting. You see the customers waiting, the ones that are being fried to take it away, to buy. And if you're running a business that no matter how small it is, that customers are the one waiting, then you are good to go. You have your money. Those guys make a lot of money. Number four is slaughter business. I'm not talking about those large slaughter where they kill a lot of cows. No, I'm talking about a mini where you do it from the comfort of your home. You prepare the animal, especially the goat meat, rabbits, the grass cutters. You buy those ones that you can afford and prepare your own little table by the roadside. In every market in Nigeria, you see those people slaughtering goats. Another way is to also join those that slaughter cattle or cow meat, and then you buy from them. When you buy from them, you move to your own location and sell. They make a lot of profit. Now, those that slaughter goats, you find out that they slaughter not less than 3 a day. Let's assume that they make 5,000 from one each. That way, they are making 15,000 naira per day. So this is a lucrative business that you can start with 100,000 and you make good profit. Number five is cold water and ice block business. Very easy, very simple. Now, all you need is a refrigerator and the generator. Now, you don't need to depend on the general power supply because it's epileptic. It comes and go. Now, when there is no power supply, that is when your business is going to explode because there are seasons in Nigeria that a whole month, 2 months, 3 months, you will not see any light. Now, During that period, you are going to sell and get tired because store owner, retail stores, other people that are selling drinks also will come to you to buy. Those that hawk on the street, those that sell pure water on the street will also come to you to buy, and you make enough profit. You're going to make a lot of profit. So this ice block and cold drinks business is very lucrative. Now, if you're traveling or if you're in the streets of Port Harcourt, if you're moving the street of Port Harcourt, Lagos, you found out that these street vendors, they always sell cold drinks in the parks in strategic locations, and they are making money. Another way of making profit in this kind of business is to sell wholesale. Now these people will come and buy from you and also sell. That way you make better profit. Do you want more awesome business ideas? Subscribe and click on that notification bell. Number six is food retail store. This is what I mean. Have you seen any store in your area where you when once you get to that store, your soup is ready? Everything you need for you to prepare a pot of soup is there. Or if you want to prepare rice, everything you need is there. Have you seen a store like that? Those people that do that, they make a lot of profit because most of them go different market, different locations, buy these foodstuffs like the dry fish, crayfish, all those foodstuffs, and they come there and sell very high at a very high price and make good profit. Number seven is spice powder making. In some areas, you find out that this soup thickener that is called ofo is very common, and women buy it a lot. Also, there are some areas that you cannot find scent leaf. You cannot find most of the spices that are rampant in your area. Now all you need to do is to go get a sealing machine, grind these spices and package them, send them out. You are going to make money because people need it, and most of the areas where they are, especially in the cities, this you don't they don't have any space to plant it, so they solely depend on the ones they will buy. Now most times when they are ready to cook, they will not find any of these spices. Number eight is potato chips making and changing. These are little shops that people consume a lot in Nigeria. We live in a modern world where you can easily buy some machines, mini machines, and start this business very easy and make profit. You know that the demand is very high because on our streets, in our roads, while traveling on the road, you find out that people are hawking them, they are selling them. So all you need to do is to get a mini machine. When once you get that slicing machine, business starts and you're going to make money. Now, most times you don't actually need a sealing machine because you can use a stapler to staple it, and you package your product and it's out for sale. So this is one lucrative business that you can just buy one bunch of plantain, slice them, and a lot will come out. You see a lot of quantity from it, and you're going to sell and make profit. Before we continue, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, drop a comment, click on that notification bell. Number nine is mini restaurant, locally called Mama Put. We normally call it Mama Put in Nigeria. This is a very small place where people go to eat all kind of foods, and most times the food in those restaurants are very delicious. Now this is the secret. When once you can cook very well, no matter where you are, people will find you. So you don't need to go to one place to rent a big expensive space. No, all you need is to know how to do it very well. Prepare your stew very well, prepare your soup, whatever you are to prepare, let it be so delicious. I tell you, it will advertise itself and people will flock in. That way you will also eat from there, your children can eat from there, and you still make your profit because it's a very lucrative business. Now this kind of business, all you can start with 100,000, 70,000, 50,000, and your business is on. Number 10 is food vendor with cart. This is very similar with the number 9, but these people, they move with their food, they put it in a cart, in a wheelbarrow or a little truck, and they push to strategic locations, or they take it to where the customer is, and that way they sell very fast. Most of them sell from the morning. Before 12 p.m. they are through. You see their food, everything finished, and they are coming back home to go for another business. So this is a side, it can be a side hustle, or you can make it your full-time business. It's a very lucrative business because you don't have anything to rent, you don't have anything to accumulate money before starting. All you need is the pot that you use at home, and some things, all those things that you need for cooking, and your business have started. Get your wheelbarrow or a mini truck, and you take the food to sites where there are constructions, to very close to companies gates, and so many areas close to school gates, close to the market or in the market, and sell your business. Now, this is one thing. In Nigeria, we take certain things for granted. You are complaining that you don't have money, yet you feel that you are too big to do certain businesses. Why can't you step into one of these businesses and stop complaining? That way you'll be independent and nobody will embarrass you, insult you, or look down on you, because what they can buy, what they can wear, what they can eat, you can also do them. You can also buy them. You can also you know get them for yourself. So why complain? Why raise shoulders? Start this business and make good money. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye bye.